Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we're going to work on line 4 in our new method book on the trombone. This is third note down, and the note we are playing today is a D. So let's talk about how I know these things, besides me being the teacher. So first off, we have our bass clef, which lets us know what the notes are on each line in space. So we are playing on the third line. We count from the bottom to the top. The third line on the bass clef is D, and it's labeled for you. This is the only time it's going to be labeled in this line and on this page. So we know this is a D, and so is every other note in line 4. We also have a time signature, 4/4 time, and that tells you that there are 4 beats in a measure and that the whole note gets 4 beats. Also, the whole rest gets 4 beats. So we're going to play and hold this note for 4 full counts, and then what would be count 5, that's when we change to the next measure and we have a rest. So we're going to go all the way through the first line and then go down to the next line without stopping. We have 2 measures of rest back to back. It's super important that you are counting through those. I'll help you with that. And then we end on 1 more D. Then we have a double bar line that tells us we're done. So when we are playing 4th position, I'm going to try to get in the camera view a little bit better. 4th position is where the top of the slide is about even with the bell. So the part that you hang on to is just beyond the bell. And your D sounds like this. Okay, so we're going to get started with line 4, third note down. And 1, 2, ready, play. 2, again. Next line, same note. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, last measure. And that's how you play line 4. Something I want to point out. First of all, I don't typically talk during rests, but because this is new and I want to make sure that you are keeping up with where I'm counting through the rest for you and helping you keep track. Next thing I want you to notice is whenever you play a note, start it with the t sound, like you're saying to or ta. And that's going to give each note a very clean start, and it'll be easier once we play several notes back to back. So I hope this is helpful, and we'll see you next time.